Hello everyone. In the last video, we had discussed about the type of numbers and properties of rational number. Among them, we already discussed about the three property, closure property, commutativity and associativity of the rational number. Now in this video, we will discuss about the remaining four properties of the rational number. So our first topic is the role of 0. When we add 0 to any rational number, the sum is again a rational number. In general, we can say that any number a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a, where a is any number. It can be a rational number, an integer or a whole number. Now 0 is also called the additive identity for the integer, whole number and rational number. Similarly, 1 is called the multiplicative identity for integer, whole number and rational number, because when we multiply 1 to any number, then the result is again the same number. Our next topic is negative of a number. For any integer, rational number and whole number, there exists a negative number such that their sum is 0. Suppose we have any number a and there exists its negative number minus a, so that their sum becomes 0. Then a is called the negative of minus a and minus a is called the negative of a. It is also called the additive. So students, our next topic is reciprocal. When we multiply two numbers and their product is 1, then we say that first number is the reciprocal of the second number and second number is the reciprocal of first number. In general, a rational number c upon d is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the another rational number a upon b if a upon b multiplied by c upon d is equal to 1. Our next topic is distributivity of multiplication over the addition and subtraction. Now, first rule is for distributivity of multiplication over addition, and the second rule is for the distributivity of multiplication over the subtraction. Now, move to our first exercise 1.1. First question is using the appropriate property, find. Part first is minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon. So students, it is clear from the question. In this question, there is three terms. First term is minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. Second term is 5 upon 2. And third term is minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon. Now, 3 upon 5 is a common rational number in the first and third terms. So we keep them together in a bracket and take common 3 upon 5 from the first two term. Now 3 upon 5 is outside the bracket and minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6 is inside the bracket. First we solve this bracket, so take LCM of 3 and 6, that is 6. And after solving the bracket, we get minus 5 upon 6. Now 3 upon 5 is multiplied by minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Here 5 and minus 5 are cancelled out and 3 and 6 are cancelled out. Now take LCM of 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 2 and we get our answer, and our answer is 2. Similarly, second part of the first question are solved in the same manner. Now move to our question number 2. And question number 2 is write the additive inverse of the following. As I mentioned earlier, what is additive inverse? Additive inverse of any number is the same number with just an opposite sign. So additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is minus 2 upon 8 and additive inverse of minus 5 upon 9 is plus 5 upon 9. Okay student, now move to our next question, and our next question is verify minus x is equal to x for part 1, x is equal to 11 upon 5. Firstly, we write our question, and our question is minus x is equal to x. Then we put value of x in place of x. So minus 11 upon 15 is equal to 11 upon 15. Now you all know that minus is plus, so plus 11 upon 15 is equal to 11 upon 15, and our equation is verified. Now move to our next question, and our next question is find the multiplicative inverse of the following. For finding multiplicative inverse, we just suffer the numerator part and denominator part of the number. So first question is minus 13. We can write minus 13 as minus 13 upon 1, where minus 13 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. After shuffling its numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 upon minus 13. So 1 upon minus 13 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13. Our next question is minus 13 upon 19, where 13 is the numerator and 19 is the denominator. After shuffling its numerator and denominator, we get 19 upon minus 13. So 19 upon minus 13 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 13 upon 9. Our next question is multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. First, we have to find the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16, and the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is 16 upon minus 7. Then we multiply 16 upon minus 7 to 6 upon 13, and we get minus 96 upon 91. Our next question is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. First we solve minus 1 whole 1 upon 8, and its answer is minus 9 upon 8. Then we multiply minus 9 upon 8 to 8 upon 9, and we get minus 1 as their product. So as we know, any number is the multiplicative inverse of the another number when their product is 1. Here we can see easily that their product is not 1. So now minus 1 whole 1 upon 8 is not the multiplicative inverse of 8 upon 9, and reason is their product is not 1. Now move to our next question, and the question is the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So 0 is the only rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Next question is the rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. So their answer is 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1 are two numbers. Their reciprocal are equal to them. Next question is the rational number that is equal to its negative, and answer is 0. Now move to last question of this exercise. Fill in the blanks. First part is 0 has dash reciprocal, 0 has no reciprocal. Part second, the number dash and dash are their own reciprocal, and answer is 1 and minus 1. Reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x does not equal to 0, is x. The product of two rational number is always a rational number. And last part is the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always a positive rational number. In the end of this video, I have some home assignment for you. I hope you will practice them. Thank you.